How to fix Bluetooth not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, so turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and search. Scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset network setting. Enter your phone pin. Click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.